ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya Net Foodish Ordar mapi nginwan ramangi hakerdob yeng jongpi
3, 2, 1.
Baro ngi jutip bahasa phang ka Kentucky Fried Chicken ne ka bangi jukot lingkot tangkum ka KFC. Ka KFC kalanang Pynïar ki thap nyang ki jongka hangni Nongbah Shillong. Hadin baki padba ki jubang bha banbam ya ka dosiar bala penmi da ka ne ka company. Menta ka kenti ya ka KFC la pli saha ka Shillong nong thama Shillong ha matay complex kabadon hajan jongka Saint Xavier Secondary School ya ka bala Pynïar da uba habab yang sun kum utrai jongka dukan ha ka jingple ya ka ni dukan ha ka khat sau tarik uno pra arajar arpsau la sakhilang rudu Reverend Father Gerald Kongji ubala pelong ya ka jingduai ka phirat bat ka jingsanrai da ka khoj kentang shwaban play ya ka dukan u business development head u Sanjeev Bora u Nongbah Shnong uba Bawan Kriem bat u regional manager u Joy Deep Data lembat ukpa jong uba habab yang sun uba Shampang Lingdo ki bahayang hasam bat kiwei ki balasha khot sobha
Yang kami program bangkot ini tepung ka dak jong ka jikli yang kami ka KFC restaurant kami yang ba mai ngapot ya di Nongbah Shnong kalang hadar bat ababiak kolom proy ke KFC ban le di kono ban khap yu riban dan ngin sarung sipo na ngir sipo ngin ban luai tu dia dengan tu ka tingkren kalian jong company kata kalian habian ban Nongbah Shnong jadi bisa kembali program What?
Play bolong kejing sedang, play bolong kejing kut. Alpha balu mega, pedang bagi ke baro, VIP yang ni kesini kejongi, bon tentang mau, ya kini kejing le jingkam jongi, khatam budaya kesam, joy bashan hang ikon dari, bagi kut di kejongi. Oblay bolong ketelong jong baro kijing bha undan ringkat bati
Iru.
Kumban kupara baro ki bau blay ulat ha watan sa baro kijing ja uyalam badia baro ki kam jongi ki breu ki long ki bha lagi dono bagi kentin ulong ketelong bagatun mai jong baro kijing kurtu da kane kijing leniam ni benbenai kijing Babaro kiai kitrailang na kabanta kabha kamyat jogito batie joglay. Iti kana baha kiai baro nileban wa dikitingerap ke joglay nang bar dikiksanya teli hakabon jomu. Yen la kanle kiai baro lingbau tres na kabanta kuburam jogu. Goblay bam jukut me ai jingmot bakrawi kitingem. Abangi persyang nado donut banle kemon jong me ngiger pat ya me kutrai metrang batun krawi jingai jong me baban panpai ki baro shame batsala ki marjan marpa to priang ki jing terwa jong kane ka kam shakri jongi ngiger pat ya me kutrai me pusngo ki jing pat jongi basanya hame Gigerpan ya me kutrai. Melapai lau ku ris tu pendap yangi di kijingker ku na beneng ngiger pat yame kutrai
Eager pan and me would try.
melakhe ikun jong me abang yero bat pendan burom di kijingha jong me ngiger pat yame kutrai
Eager pan and me would try.
bat ker ku yangi kum ikun jong me ngiger pat yame kutrai
Eager pan and me would try.
to ngeni aduai imane yame Nabala diktin bagabor jong me malathaw ye ke baro magajingkar ku gajong me kapandap yangi gajingdon kamban im tuai gajingkar ku gajong me alor kani ka jingsdang jong kani gasni kaban syakri ya kalong breu man breu ban perkentang ya ka Pada baro ki batlung ban mi ki Pynïar ya ka tuai pada gajingkong mo ki ay matamon jong me Ipai rim ngai kin la ban pendon kam ya baro ki ba melathaw ya kadonon bas ngomo
Amen.
ko pa jumi
Dalawang kukuhay ka tayong sumi.
Tuan di ma jumi dalong pamon jumi ando kumba beneng tuai ni menta kacing am sini ma si
At makikita sumi. Mahir umag-bless niyo ini. Parwadilang mingi siya ito Krishoy. Great flying in ang bless niyo.
play Maria
Padang sige, Father, Father, thank you, Jay. Salamat po sa pojong pag-isu. Kumari ako po ikumijang pray, iwan at taas, hindi ko ng pop. Nagdawat ko, siya, amen.
Putran dan ringkat bati Ublay budan bor baro unkur ku kerdo ekani kejaka badyangi baro iwe piwe uppa baru kun baru mensim bakut
And it is with immense gratitude and excitement I stand here today to open the door of this KFC Nongbah. And this moment, it's not just the opening of a restaurant, it's also a celebration for support, efforts, and blessings that made it all possible. First and foremost, I'd like to thank God for His endless blessings, guidance, and strength that have brought me to this point. Secondly, I would like to thank my wonderful parents who have been supporting me from day one till today. Without your support, none of this would have happened. And I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to the headman, assistant headman, and to the secretary and the entire community. Your cooperation, encouragement, and help throughout the process of opening this KFC means so much to me. This is as much as your achievement as it is mine. And I truly thankful to you. A big thank you to Sir Sanjeev and the Devyani International and also the entire KFC team for trusting me with this opportunity to bring this iconic KFC experience to Nongbah. Your support and guidance have been invaluable in making this dream a reality. Lastly, I would like to give a special thanks to Father Gerald for taking this time to bless this new venture. Your prayers and presence today bring us strength and positivity as we begin this journey. This KFC is more than just a restaurant. It's a symbol of community, opportunity, and growth. And I'm proud to say that in Shillong, we already have around 4 existing KFC, and this is the 5th one, which is here located in Nongbah. And this company is really beautiful that even though it already have 4 existing outlet of KFC, but still they're willing to expand. And when I say expand, it doesn't mean that expanding their own business or expanding their profit, but also expand in a way to create employment for our youth of Shillong. So this is something which is very beautiful that some other companies have not done it. So most of the other companies only have 2-3 outlets, which KFC is expanding to almost every part of Meghalaya.
The business development for the Devyani International Limited, looking for the KFC for the entire Northeast. I remember, I think a year back, I was on the way to Joy from Shillong. Then he contacted me. He has one showroom over there, car showroom. And I meet him, he said, Sanjeev, I want to open a KFC here. I said, so sorry, sir, it's far away from the place where we are looking for. Then he said, Sanjeev, where do you want it? I said, just after this 5 wicket, if you have a property, definitely we'll go for that. Right after 6 months, he gave this property. Initially the property was to be black. Then I said, sir, you have to build this building as per the KFC standard. And accordingly he made it. And today this is the 5th KFC in Shillong and 7th in Meghalaya and 71 in Northeast. So I'm very happy that in 2024, the last December, this is the 71 store of the Northeast. And honestly, we are doing very fantastic business in the Northeast. The people of Northeast love KFC, and especially Shillong and the Mizoram are the top in India. So I like to have a round of applause to the people of the Northeast because you people invite us to open KFC more and more. So thank you very much to the people of Meghalaya, people of Khasi Hill District. And one more very, very important thing which I want to disclose all people is that the people who are working over here is 90% people are locally been enrolled over here. Only 10% from the outside, and they will be slowly moved down when they got promoted, the local people promoted to the position. So this is wherever we go, we always take the local people in our as an employee in this industry. They get all the facilities from the medicals, from the PF, everything over there. So and don't think that the KFC over here who is making the KFC is not from the outside people or for the US or the other part. They are the local people who are born over here. They have been trained for the 60 days or 30 days. Then they are become like this. So again, I like to thank the people of Meghalaya once again.
I think this is the already Sanjeev has mentioned. I think this is our 5th store in entire Meghalaya. And I would like to say that Meghalaya sales contribution is one of the highest in entire Northeast if I take it city wise and any store, any particular store wise. So per store we are almost contributing more than 1,50,000 sales per store, right? And we are quite hopeful that this store is going to do very good, right? Because the catchment is great, right? And I think this is one of the great looking store as of now in entire Meghalaya, because the artwork, if you see, that is totally new. That entire map from Kentucky to Meghalaya, that is also a new design. So this is totally a newly designed store, right? I would like to thank sir, right, for all the support, contribution, right? And also my team, Bernard is there. He's the area coach. You can come here. He is actually managing the entire show in Meghalaya. Then Marur is there, Hemen, and of course Anand, who is the restaurant manager of the stores. I think the store which you are seeing today, it is their hard work, right? It is looking absolutely spick and span, right? Welcoming for the customer which we want. And I was looking at the store for last 10 minutes. So the way we wanted the store to come out from the facade side, from the visibility point of sight, so it has came out really very well. So I think we have everything to give it to our customers, valuable customers.
Open power is no passion. Galay jengay. One sing ya kani ka KFC ya kani ka Shillong ka jongi. Ya pi haba galong ukun jong kani ka yen bat ka jo popor ban niya. Ya kani ka dukan wat num klet Shillong kum ka Shillong ni piyo ime pai bala. Bat num klet pat yo blay. Bala ai pi ya kani ka la. Kidam don shibun bha. Ki kun Samla ki bakwa kum kani ka la ve kim yo. Nei ma pi piyo kimi pa bala. Payo man pun seng ye pi kat kani ka dukan. Tina kaliang ka jong ka executive committee jong ka dorbar nong. Itun pau jing sngu ka jong ima ye pi haba. Bat kani hi kalong bansa jing kan mau. Ya ka Shillong nong mai pudun hi borok kowe. Namang ka di kani ka KFC ka baningkong ka nong mai pudun bat ni sngo serong ban ong kadai ka Shillong ka jong ni ai ka jingkit bok kit riang ye pi haba bat ya ka team ka jong pi ba kum bala ong da kini kinong yalam ki bala kren bat jonga pangamar tatien bakani ka dukan badon hakani ka po kan long ka jingkit ku ya kani ka Shillong ka jong ni ya ka nong mai pelun hi bor away nama bangin judan hi kanu ka KFC no katang ya kren ba iba Koi kalau sup ke KFC dari mengibat ikini pani abala jang ke KFC kikul ru kilai jan be bun kan long ke jing ku ya ke Shillong ke jongi bat yangi hi borok away tu blai ke jing sup non kat lembat priba ye ke sem ke jongpi bat I haba bat Nongbah ye ke jing start ke jing champang ke wan blai kumlu ba pin telun ya kani ke kam ke bai pa imei jongpi la ai ke terpeng ke jongpi
ai ka jing kublai sango di pada ma la pelai ke por ma kedua de jengki kelam ma bi ma kelam kedua ka firat te kanu kam ma ka jinget jengi kasi negi kristan ro gidan kam kedua ka firat ka kerku ka kerdo ma ya kanu kam ka pangistan kublai sibone ma pada la pelai ke por tengah ai ka jing kublai rambak snam masen pun di kelam don kanu ka jing kerna kemen kat bangi bane poin kat lang ka di kasi benar kat lang bangi ya ba John secretary snam ba antar kat lang ki long kmi napo long kmai ki long kitam long yelong jong BDP ma layawan lang ban pensengai ban ai ben sim ini kublai sibone ban banta ka por ba kedua ka jong pi de ka jeka ba biang ba ba syak ba de kublai sibon antar nor lawan lang ba ipun jong pi ban ai ben sim ban pensengai ini yang ai ke jing kublai kulum lang ya baro ki ba in ki besar kulum de jer kerteng ban nom simi por antar bade ye ki baro kini ki perlok perjor ki balayawan lang ban ya sim benta ya kini ka jing play ke jingi program di barit ke jingi ban play ke ni KFC tengah ai ke jing play ru ka KFC team ka KFC company lawan na buati na ka kuladon ni naru ko por basdang kumno ban ai ke design kumno ban net ke ni ka setup e berkhai ka de ka team ke bawan na po company KFC tengah ai ke jing play ki baro bat ai ke jing play ke ni ki parlok media jingi ru mo armut pelai ke por ke dor marsen pun kelam kan ru ke jing tengah pilayawan ban pelai por ban cover ban ai coverage kendiat ya kenika program ke belum kot ke jingi telada don bang akombes ini no te kublai sibon nak benta ka jingwan ke jengpi nak benta ka jingdon bentalang ke jengpi bat ka khadu kentang yawai ke ji songo yu play tradira nak benta ka ni ke singi ke baitna ke singi ke bakmen nak bangilala ban enumlang kumni ban urlong ya ke ni ke singi ke bangila ap nak katuk ni banai nadu bangila sedang ban sna ya kenika restoran ban matasi ngilala ban pun urlong dalam day rumah kajing terku kajing rangkat kajingu tekini kiki bro angin namla hiraban long ro kumde kumbagi long mentah ini semua yublai na benta kani kajing sebun kajing luha kajing ye kajing